Box 5. All in, set to go. Green light on. Ready. Racing. Absolute Power left well out in the centres, getting a clear run initially. Although I had a bump with Grace in Emma as Airbound went around to grab the lead, but Absolute Power straight up to second. Looking dangerous already. Followed by Grace in Emma. Further back would have been Emery's. On the rail, Bobby Bound. Well back, Alan Jersey, Moonlit Wings and City Rambler. Down the back, Airbound in front, but Absolute Power stalking on the outside. Goes up to join him now. And the favourite takes the lead off the back, followed by Bobby Bound and Grace in Emma. Then Emery's, Alan Jersey on the turn. Absolute Power the leader. Bobby Bound running on well, but Absolute Power in front. Bobby Bound driving, but Absolute Power beats Bobby Bound a neck. Third in would have been Airbound, followed by Emery's. And they finished clear of the rest, headed by Moonlit Wings on the rail, City Rambler. And back behind runners, Alan Jersey and Moonlit Wings. Grace in Emma a fair way back. And the run there would have been 34.